It Reddit account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you install the Reddit application on your device. So just go to the Play Store application on your device over here and launch the Reddit application. As you can see, I've already installed the application. So I'm going to tap on open and it will lead me to the Reddit application's homepage and user interface. So you can see it looks something like this as shown on the screen. So here you can continue with Google or use email ID or username over here. So since we already have a Gmail account, I'm going to tap on continue with Google and then tap on I agree to receive emails about cool stuff on Reddit. But if you do not have an account, you can also sign up over here. But I want to continue with Google and I'm going to select the email that I want to associate with this account or this application over here. So after doing that, it will start processing and you just have to wait for a while until it loads to a new page. After getting the Gmail associated with it, it will just take you to a new page over here. So just wait until it loads you. And now as you can see, you have already been logged in and your account has been created. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.